Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video we talked about major and perfect intervals, and we're going to expand upon that so it makes a little bit more sense. So let's review. We had all of the possible interval sizes 1 through 8, not including compound intervals. I'm going to represent perfect intervals with a capital P, major intervals with a capital N. And that's not only do I do that, but that is common. Major intervals are represented with capital M, perfect with capital P. Alright, so here are all of our interval sizes, and notice how it goes perfect, major, major, perfect, perfect, major, major, perfect, and I've said that 40 million times. They're both capital, and here are our step sizes. Well, there's actually something really cool we can do with the major intervals that we're going to learn about. So here's an example of a major interval. That right there was a major third with 4 half steps. It was C to E. Now, what if I want to create a new sound? Hear the difference? One sounds da da. One's kind of sad. Well, that's actually called minor. So if we take these major intervals and subtract 1 half step, we get what's called minor. So that's represented with a lowercase m. We can't do that with perfect. It creates something different. For example, here is a perfect second. Here is if we take 1 half step away. It doesn't give the same effect as, which is minor. Minor's kind of sad, whereas it's kind of unpleasant, you know? It's not really sad, it's just, what the? So yeah, we can subtract one of these. So minor, as we can see, instead of 2 we would have 1. Instead of 4 we would have 3. Instead of, where's this going to? This is going to 9. It would have 8. Instead of 11, it would have 10. You see? So now, we can create major, minor, and perfect intervals. That's like 3 kinds of intervals. Oh, it's so exciting. Okay, here I have an actual keyboard because it's easier to see for one, and it's not so difficult to play. So, let's take a look at this. Here are our letters, flat keys. And here are our intervals, interval sizes, and qualities. So, a major third has 4 half steps. So we're starting on C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, eh? But a minor has 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear the difference? One sounds almost not... It's like there's not that resolved feeling. For example, man, that's a lot of emotion. I feel like a woman. Oh man, that was a burn. That was a burn. I'm sorry. You can also see that different interval sizes can create different sounds, such as a major 7th doesn't sound as major, for example, versus there's a lot of tension there because this vibrates. The way these two vibrate create an interaction that's not as pleasant as. Plus, they're a farther distance apart. For example, if I place 2 C's, this vibrates twice as fast. Now, if I lower this down, it's not quite twice as fast, so it doesn't quite interlock right. Whereas the other one would be like 1. Dang it. 1, 2. Okay, this is gonna go twice every time this goes once. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what I'm saying? But if I put a B in there, it's like doesn't sound good. So that's some basics for major minors. That's the basics of minor, pretty much everything you need to know about minor for now. So in the next video, we'll be talking about something even cooler. Alright, these just get cooler and cooler, don't they? So yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Twitter, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Twitter. Goodbye.